10 Best Indian Foods You Need to Try. Welcome to a culinary journey like no other. Today, we are going to explore the 10 best Indian foods, dishes so rich, flavorful, and iconic that they've traveled from the streets of India to tables all over the world. Prepare your taste buds for a visual feast, because we are diving into tangy, spicy, sweet, savory, and creamy flavors that truly define Indian cuisine. From the bustling streets of Delhi to the aromatic coastal regions of South India, each dish tells a story of traditions, culture, and unmatched love for food. So grab a plate and let's savor this flavorful journey. If there's one dish that represents the heart of Indian cuisine on the global stage, it's butter chicken. Think succulent pieces of chicken simmered in a rich, creamy tomato-based curry spiced to perfection. Its smooth texture and slightly sweet flavor make it a universal favorite. Butter chicken originated in Delhi, at a small restaurant that accidentally transformed leftover tandoori chicken into a buttery heaven by combining it with tomato and cream. Paired with garlic naan or steamed basmati rice, it's no wonder this dish has become a symbol of Indian comfort food. Close your eyes and imagine tearing into a warm buttery naan, soaking up that vibrant orange curry. Pure bliss, right? Let's move to a completely different texture and taste as we head south. Say hello to masala dosa, a crispy crepe-like pancake made from fermented rice batter and black lentils. But here's the real treat, it's stuffed with a spicy, fragrant potato filling that hits all the right notes. Masala dosa comes to life when paired with its tangy sambar, a lentil-based vegetable stew, and coconut chutney. This dish is more than just food, it's a daily morning ritual in South India. The rice batter ferments overnight, giving it that perfect balance of crunch and slight sourness. Whether you grab it from street vendors or high-end restaurants, masala dosa promises to wake up your taste buds with its bold spice and texture. And now, let's talk about the snack that's always ready to steal your heart. You don't need an occasion to bite into a samosa. These golden, crispy triangles are stuffed with spiced potatoes, peas, or even minced meat. One bite, and you're met with layers of crunch that give way to soft, warm fillings. Samosas are a street food staple, served hot with tangy tamarind chutney or spicy green chutney. What makes them so special? Their versatility. They can be a spicy midday snack, a casual party favorite, or even comfort food on a rainy day with a cup of chai. Think of a samosa as a mini festival in every bite. Speaking of celebratory foods, the next item on this list is a full-on feast. If there's a dish that needs no introduction, it's biryani. Imagine layers of long-grain basmati rice cooked with marinated meat or vegetables, mingling with an orchestra of aromatic spices like saffron, star anise, and cardamom. Every bite is a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. Biryani's roots can be traced to the Mughal kitchens, but today, its variants like Hyderabadi, spicy and bold, and Lucknowi, mild and fragrant, have gained legendary status. The layering technique ensures that every mouthful is as exciting and delicious as the last. Now, let's pivot to one of the most beloved vegetarian dishes in India's culinary arsenal. Green, creamy, and oh so delicious, Palak Paneer features cubes of soft, homemade cottage cheese immersed in a velvety spinach curry. It's a guilt-free indulgence for vegetarians and a comfort dish for all who love home-cooked goodness. The vibrant green color of this dish not only makes it a visual delight but also packs a nutritional punch. It pairs wonderfully with hot chapati or even rice. Palak Paneer shines in its simplicity. It's a dish where basic ingredients transform into something extraordinary. From spinach to spice, our next stop takes us to the chaotic yet joyful world of Indian street food. Brace yourself for a wild ride of flavors. Chaat, one of India's most iconic street foods, is a perfect representation of the Indian love affair with bold taste. It's tangy, spicy, sweet, and savory, sometimes all at once. Chaat typically features chickpeas, Crispy fried dough, yogurt, chutneys, and a mix of spices, creating a flavor burst in every bite. The most popular variations: Pani Puri, little crispy shells filled with tangy, spiced water, and Bhel Puri, a savory mix of puffed rice, vegetables, and tamarind dressing. Whether on a busy street corner or at home, chaat is an experience, not just a snack. After all those bold flavors, let's dial it down with something simple yet soulful. When you need a comforting hug in food form, turn to Dal Tadka. This humble yet heartwarming dish is made from lentils cooked with onions, tomatoes, and Indian spices. What sets it apart? The tempering, or tadka, of sizzling ghee, garlic, cumin, and red chilies poured over the cooked lentils. Dal tadka pairs perfectly with steamed rice, creating a meal that's wholesome and nourishing. It's simple, yet packed with flavor, the kind of dish you'll crave after a long day. But if you are in the mood for spice, we've got just the thing for you next. Vindaloo is not for the faint of heart. This fiery curry, originally from Goa, is known for its heat and tangy, vinegary essence. Whether made with chicken, pork, or lamb, it's a dish for those who love their flavors bold and their spices stronger. What makes Vindaloo unique is its Portuguese Indian roots, with a cooking style influenced by the region's history. Serve it with steamed rice or soft bread to balance the spice, and you've got yourself a meal that's as exciting as it is delicious. From the fiery south, let's travel up north for a dish with gentle, rich flavors. A slow-cooked lamb dish from the stunning valleys of Kashmir, Rogan Josh is a curry that's all about depth and richness. Its signature red color comes from Kashmiri red chilies, and its creamy texture is achieved through yogurt and carefully curated spices. The result? A curry that's aromatic, hearty, and bursting with layers of flavor. Pair Rogan Josh with naan or saffron rice, and you've got a dish fit for royalty. Of course, no Indian meal is complete without something sweet, so let's end on a high note. Meet Gulab Jamun, the beloved Indian dessert. These golden, syrup-soaked donut-like balls are soft, warm, and ridiculously indulgent. Made from milk solids and fried to perfection, they're soaked in sugar syrup flavored with rose water or cardamom. Gulab Jamun is the star of every Indian festival and celebration, bringing a sense of joy with every bite. It's dessert at its purest, a delightful end to a satisfying meal. And there you have it, the 10 best Indian foods you absolutely need to try. From the creamy butter chicken to the rich Rogan Josh, the fiery Vindaloo to the tangy chaat, and the sweet embrace of Gulab Jamun, each dish showcases the diversity and magic of Indian cuisine. What's your favorite Indian dish? Have you tried any of these, or is there one you're excited to taste next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us on more flavorful adventures. Until next time, happy eating!